If you go to your favorite search engine and you look up Gamma, you can see gamma.app. And Gamma will enable you to create instant presentations that you can import into PowerPoint or into Google Docs. You can use Gamma for free, and you get 400 AI credits at sign-up. You can pay monthly and/or annually. We are going to click on Go to the application. You can start the process simply by going to this element that says Create New, and you can create a new presentation in 3 ways. You can paste in your text, you can generate using the AI, or you can import a file or URL. For the sake of this video, we're going to generate our presentation. You'll notice here that you can designate how you want the presentation to appear. The default is going to be 8 cards, although you can do more. You're going to have a default page style, although you can specify that you want a traditional PowerPoint, and you can specify the language. We are now going to write in the presentation that we want to generate. Once we've written in our query, we're going to click on Generate Outline. We now have our outline. We can choose and customize our presentation. We're going to choose a specific theme. What we can then do is we can then determine how much content we want on each slide. We can determine that we want a detailed slide. We can determine if we want the AI to select images, or if we don't want images at all, we can specify that. There is an advanced mode, and you can see how your presentation is actually going to look. You can make changes to generate, to condense, or to preserve information that you have uploaded. We are now going to click Continue. You can then see a theme preview. We're then going to click Generate, and Gamma will create your presentation. Now, with the free version, you can export your presentation. You can export your presentation to your existing PowerPoint account or export to Google Slides. You can also post directly to LinkedIn. And our PowerPoint is now created. You will notice that the PowerPoint is watermarked with Gamma because we are using the free version. Okay, so thanks, and I will see you in another video.